here we go.
Drop in some sweet onions, oregano, basil if you've got both. That's great.
This product's actually really cool. I don't know. Have you seen that? What? It's like basil and shit. Not everyone's a chef. Thank God. Just gonna drop a big clump of that in here in a second too. But oh, you know, that's the thing that people argue about too. Like, do you put the herbs in the beginning? Do you put them in the end? Well, I put them in the beginning. I might put them in the end too. So like, do your thing. Like, don't worry about all the fucking rules. Roasted garlic. Yum. I'm just using some regular tomatoes. I'm not gonna cook this a lot. Clean out my can and get some of that water. A little pat of butter. Oh, shit. And the wrapper. Fiber, maybe. Anyway, a little salt and pepper. Crushed red. A little crushed red. Everybody's in. I'm plugging in my immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you must get one. They're like 35 bucks and they're fucking great. You can blend it as much as you like. If you like it chunky, then don't fucking blend it. A little more salt and pepper. And another little blend. But that's it. That's all it takes. Quick and easy marinara.